In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to log into Canva. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Google search engine, click into the search field and type in Canva and hit enter. Once you do so, you will be presented with a list of search results. You're looking for the canva.com official Canva visual suite for everyone. So click on that when it appears, and you want to look to the top right corner of the Canva dashboard landing page, and you want to click on login. And once you do that, your account will appear and you'll have the option to click on continue. And because I signed up with a Google account, I'll be able to sign in with Google. All I need to do is click on continue. So if you signed up with Google as well, it'll be the exact same process. And from there, we are logged into Canva. So I hope that you found this tutorial helpful. And if you have any issues or any questions, please feel free to leave them in the comments. Thanks.